No one wants a suit that's too big or too small. You want one that fits you well. It's the same with knee implants. Studies show that traditional knee replacements can leave up to 30% of the people who receive them unhappy with both pain relief and function, due partly to poor implant fit, alignment, and bone coverage. Traditional knee replacement commonly leaves patients with ongoing pain from clinically significant overhang, where part of the implant digs into the flesh. Conformis offers two personalized options for a great fit: full personalization through Platinum services or our made-to-measure imprint system. In a clinical comparison study, people with a Conformis implant in one knee and a different implant brand in the other knee reported they preferred Conformis by a factor of more than 10 to 1. And 90% of the Conformis patients in another study reported being satisfied with their outcome because of how we applied their data to ensure a superior fit and to restore their natural range of motion. With both Conformis systems, we use a CT scan of your anatomy to design pre-operative plans just for you, and we also 3D print personalized surgical instruments to help guide your surgeon. Your implant and instruments are then pre-sterilized, packaged, and shipped safely to your surgeon using our surgery-in-a-box delivery method. And best of all, you can choose your level of personalization. Our fully personalized system is made individually for your unique anatomy through our Deluxe Platinum Services program, which requires you to pay an out-of-pocket services fee that is set by your medical facility. Our other fantastic option is our made-to-measure imprint system with excellent alignment and bone coverage, based on our massive database of previous patients' anatomy and implants. Advanced software analyzes your CT scan and picks the best imprint size for you. Imprint includes personalized features designed to provide a better fit and alignment than generic off-the-shelf implants. Our made-to-measure option is widely covered by Medicare and most forms of private health insurance. Conformis, offering you the choice between two data-driven personalized knee systems to achieve proper alignment and a great fit. Visit us at conformis.com to learn more.